Do you want to speak English in daily life? In this video, you will learn very simple English sentences for beginners. You will hear short sentences about home, food, school, work, shopping, the bus, the phone, and feelings. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every sentence. Let's start.
I wake up early. I wake up early. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. I make coffee. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink milk. I drink milk. I open my bag. I open my bag. I close the door. I close the door. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. I wait for my friend. I wait for my friend. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I sit on the bus. I sit on the bus. I stand at the door. I stand at the door. I read a book. Hein. I read a book. Ahon. I read a book. I write my name. I write my name. I learn English. I learn English. I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a pen. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. I ask a question. I ask a question. I ask a question. I answer slowly. I answer slowly.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher. I see my friend. I see my friend. I hear a phone. I hear a phone. I call my father. I call my father. I call my mother. I call my mother. I send a message. I send a message. I open the app. I open the app. I turn off my phone. I turn off my phone. I buy bread. I buy bread. I buy bread. I buy milk. I buy milk. I buy milk. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. I need a bag. I need a bag. I need a bag. I need a bag. I like this shirt. I like this shirt. I like this shirt. I try on shoes. I try on shoes. I try on shoes. I go to the doctor. I go to the doctor. I go to the doctor. I feel sick. I feel sick. I feel sick. I need medicine. I need medicine. I have a headache. I have a headache. I drink tea. I drink tea. I cook rice. I cook rice. I cut an apple. I cut an apple. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean my room. I clean my room. I sit in the kitchen. Wide. I sit in the kitchen. I sit in the kitchen. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. I am happy. I am happy. I am tired. I am tired. I am hungry. I am hungry. I go home. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. I open the window. I open the window. I close my book. I close my book. I read a message. I read a message. I write a word. I write a word.
I call my friend. I call my friend. I call my friend.
Great job! Now you know many simple English sentences for daily life. Listen to this video again, repeat every sentence, and try to use them today. The more you practice, the better you speak. Keep learning, keep speaking, and see you in the next video.